Assalamu alaikum audience. So today I will discuss lecture number 93 and I will discuss vocabulary. So these vocabulary will help you in all competitive examinations. So the first one is languishing. So the meaning of languishing is dispirited, neglect, feeble, weak or enervated. Sust. Next one, awestruck. So the meaning of awestruck is amazed, astonished, flabbergasted. Next one, obliterated. So to destroy utterly, abolish, annihilate, efface, metana. Next one, tampering. So to try foolish or dangerous experiments. Most of the time in elections in Pakistan, so the results are tempered. Next one, shenanigans, so artifice or stratagem. Next one, faring or simply ferry, so transport from one place to another. Next one, exorbitant. So the meaning of exorbitant is excessive, extravagant, extreme, overmuch, overdue, abundance. Next one, sardines. So sardines is actually the name of a fish, or small fishes are called sardines. Next one, blaring. So the meaning of blaring, to sound loud and strident. Next one, betunier. So the meaning of betunier is abhorrence, abomination, anathema, detestation, hate. Next one, hugging. So to hold tightly with arms. Next one, blizzard. So the meaning of blizzard is long severe snowstorm, or another meaning overwhelming rush or deluge. Next one, deluge mean tufani nuh or selab. Next one, trant. So absent with permission. Next one, fomenting. So the meaning of fomenting is to provoke, to stir, instigate, incite, abet. Next one, euphemism. So the meaning of euphemism is khush kalami, circumlocution. Next one, pummeling. So the meaning of pummeling is to strike, usually with the fist. Next one, stymies. So to present an obstacle to, rakawat dalna. Next one, covenants. So accord, agreement, compact, convection, settlement, muahidat or muahida. Next one, meted out. So dole out, distribute, parcel out. Next one, demolitions. So decimation or extermination. Next one, weathering. So devastating. Next one is uh, pouted. So the meaning of pouted is annoyance or displeasure. And the last one is hoodlums. So hoodlums is actually a violent criminals, Ronda Badmash. So it's all for today, and if you people have any questions, so ask freely in comment section, and stick to Dawn Times for more videos and updates. Thank you.